Anthropology is one of those disciplines that asks you to think anew about who you are in the world by learning about other people. And in that sense, anthropology is something that if you major in it will stay with you your entire life, but even if you only ever take one class in it, can travel with you wherever you go. My research focuses on Tibet, especially working with Tibetan refugees in both the Himalayas and in North America.
I am interested in Maya archaeology, and I'm also interested in inequality.
My research interests revolve around maternal and infant health, infant growth and development, and the use of different types of approaches from endocrinology, or the study of hormones, as tools that we can use to answer questions about human biology.
My research interests are focused on Cuba, the Caribbean, issues of race, tourism.
I'm doing now analysis of ancient materials using spectrometry to trace the origin of those materials and also how they were traded.
Well, as an environmental anthropologist, I'm mostly interested in studying mining development. I have been working in Papua New Guinea for over 20 years, looking at the impact of a large-scale gold mine on indigenous people there.
My primary research interests are how people live and work with data, and then how they understand different kinds of privacy laws and data protection laws.
My research interests focus on conservation of primates in Southeast Asia, specifically and more broadly biodiversity conservation in general.
I do collaborative research with Native American communities, and I connect Native American communities to collections in the museum.
My research interests have morphed from looking at race, class, gender, sexuality in Brazilian shanty towns to more recently working on nuclear energy issues and trying to look at the effects of high technology energy projects on diverse populations. Anthropology is so amazing because it's an umbrella that takes everyone under it.
If you want to understand who we are as people, to me, anthropology is the best place to start your search for those kinds of questions.
It teaches us a lot about the world. It encourages us to see things from a broader perspective.
Anthropology is by far the best major for everyone. It gives you a kind of superpower, which is the superpower of close observation and attention. And it opens up your mind so that you're able to see the world in a new way.
The anthropology community is just a wonderful group of faculty, staff, and students who are all committed to being empathetic and tolerant towards others and to really trying to understand the people around them, and I think that's a wonderful environment to be learning in.
I think we have a really dynamic faculty, and they again have strengths in so many different areas.
We are gender diverse, we are sexuality diverse, racially diverse, and I think students can find different places to fit in.
We're extremely field-oriented and very active. We're not a bunch for sitting around.
And our faculty are engaging in hands-on research that really matters, not only within our discipline, but within the world more broadly. So for students to be able to understand how you connect these big questions in the classroom with doing something about it in the real world, that's what they could get here at CU.